Hey there friends, in this video I'm going to be showing you how you can save your ChatGPT history, including your chat history and personal data. So to get started, sign into the ChatGPT platform in your web browser as I've done so here, and we're going to want to move over to our account settings. So you can find that at the bottom left hand side of your screen. Just click on the icon and then click on settings. So this opens up a menu, and in the menu we're going to go ahead and move over to the data and controls section. So go ahead and click that, and you should see a few buttons that you can click here. We're interested in exporting our data. So when you export your data, this includes all of your personal data as well as your chat history. So this is a great way to save it if you need to migrate to another platform or if you just want to back up your data. So go ahead and click on export, and you should see this pop-up window. Just go ahead and click on confirm. So sometimes this might ask you to verify, and what that means is it's just going to send you a code to your email. Go ahead and open your email, copy the code, then paste it in here, just as I've done so. And it should ask you to confirm export once again. So here it is. You can click on confirm export. And if we've done everything right, we should see a notification at the top that says we've successfully requested our data export. And there it is. So now all we really have to do is pay attention to our email and make sure that we view any of the emails ChatGPT has sent us. So as you can see here, you recently requested a copy of your ChatGPT data, and it's going to take anywhere between 24 to 48 hours to finish exporting your data. So just pay attention to your email. When they send you a download link, go ahead and click on it, and you should be able to download all your chat history and personal data. That's pretty much it for this video. I hope I was able to teach you something new and something useful. And as always, thank you for watching.